Greetings, my cyber student. This week we'll be discussing cyberbullying and the effects that it has on its victims, how it's different to regular bullying, and what you can do to protect yourself from cyberbullying. On this webpage, you will find resources which will go into further detail beyond this video, and we will then have an activity and a quiz to complete and assess what you have learnt from this week's web session. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying includes sending nasty messages or emails to others, humiliating people, or sending or posting videos and images that may embarrass them, spreading rumours about people online, and creating fake profiles and posing as someone else. Cyberbullying can mean something different to everyone, but to define it simply, it's when any bullying or any of the above actions are done online. Now, how does cyberbullying affect its victims? Some of the ways it can affect people is emotionally, mentally, behaviourally, and physically. The emotional effects are generally when the victim is left feeling humiliated, isolated, angry, and powerless. The mental effects have known to lead to depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, academic issues, and thoughts of suicide or self-harm. The behavioural changes that may be noticed in a victim of cyberbullying are the loss of interest in activities and may cause the victim to act out in an unusual manner, for example, abusing drugs and alcohol, skipping school, and carrying a weapon because they feel unsafe. Some of the physical side effects which cyberbullying can bring on are gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, diarrhea, stomach ulcers, and vomiting. Disordered eating habits such as skipping meals or binge eating, and sleep disturbances which can include night terrors and insomnia or sleeping more than usual. Now, what makes cyberbullying different to regular bullying? Well, for young Australians who are being cyberbullied, they are more likely to suffer more extremely than regular bullying, as the nature of cyberbullying is invasive in the aspect that the victim can't escape their bully because it follows them home on their technology devices. It can happen anytime and anywhere because technology is used to cyberbully. Hurtful messages, harmful images, and rumours are more likely to spread quicker than in person. Cyberbullying material such as photos and messages can't be retrieved in the same way that physical material can. What can you do to protect yourself from cyberbullying? There is no best way to protect yourself from cyberbullying, as each case of cyberbullying is different. The best first point of action to take is to tell an adult or call the kids helpline. You can report the post or image, keep evidence by taking screenshots of the messages or posts, then make a report on the eSafety website. You can block or report the person, but if all else fails and you feel unsafe, you can get help by calling the police of the cyberbully department. That's all we have time for today's session. Don't forget to speak up if you're being cyberbullied or know someone who is.